Hello everyone, this is in continuation of our 2023 NECO Physics Past Question Solution Series, question 5. And question 5 says, calculate the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 100 grams of water by 20 degrees Celsius, given that specific capacity of water is 4,200 joule per kg per Kelvin. So let's quickly solve this solution. Whenever you see this type of question, you should cast your mind back to heat measurement. And heat, since this is all about specific capacity, the formula that we normally use is H equal to MC changing theta. So H is the quantity of heat you are asked to calculate. So H is the quantity of heat, heat required to raise the temperature, which we don't know. And M in this formula is the mass of the substance, which is water. So M is mass of water. Here it is said to be 100 grams. I advise you always convert it to kilogram. So have 100 divided by 1,000 to give us 0.1 kg. So the next thing in our formula is C. C represents specific heat capacity, which is a constant. It measures the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of a substance. So it measures how much heat is needed to increase the temperature of substance. And it varies for water, for metal, for any other substances. Are we together? So for water, it is said to be equal to 4,200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. And what else is the change in temperature, change in theta. Change in theta, for instance, if water was at 20 degrees Celsius, for instance, then by the time you apply heat, you increase the temperature, let's say to 70 degrees Celsius. There's going to be a change in temperature, which will be 70 minus 20. But in this question, there is no theta 1, theta 2. They have given us the entire rise in temperature, which is 20 degrees Celsius. So we're going to use theta T, change in theta to represent that. So that is 20 degrees Celsius. Convert it to Kelvin because this your constant is in kilogram and Kelvin. So we have to convert them to Kelvin. So that will be 20 plus 273 to give us 293 Kelvin. That's what is the next thing to do. The next thing is to bring this your formula. Continue with it. Let's say bring the formula here, which is H equal to MC change in theta, and substitute the value. What is the value for M? Mass 0.1. What is the value for C? Specific capacity is what? C is 4,200. What is the value for change in temperature? I have converted it to 293 Kelvin, right? So I'll just put it 293 Kelvin. Finished, right? The next thing is just press your calculator to get your answer. And if you do that, you're going to have 123,060 joules. So this is your answer. So if you are new to my channel, please do ensure you subscribe to my channel to give me some visibility. Thank you. God bless you.